Hello everyone, it's me again, and we're having our first severe weather of this year, and today is Tuesday, January 3. Right now we're under a tornado warning right now. Oh my god, this isn't good. This is not good at all, to be honest. There's nothing different about the tornado warning and watch. Really don't know the difference. But look at this. Oh my god. Clouds are getting darker now, and the rain is starting to increase the precipitation.
Is on, how do you say
Okay,
this
we
road?
got winds picking up now, huh?
It's on this way.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
God.
That's where it is. I'm scared, bro. Why?
Guys, if you didn't know, I'm experiencing...
Antioch? What the hell?
It's not one of these storms I experienced
Where is
last
it?
time during the summer.
What the hell
It's
is
acting
it?
like a summer storm or something. I do not know what this is about. But oh my god, this thing is very, very, very bad. It's like how the winds are blowing, they're blowing west at 12 miles per hour. Something must be happening, or I don't know. Either way this is. But thank God, it's not gonna happen. At least, there might be a possibility that we're going to experience close lightning or something like that. So, we're like under severe thunderstorm watch, but there's something about dark greenish clouds which you probably never heard of, and I never heard of that. But I wonder what they look like, because I never heard of that dark greenish cloud thingy before. And plus, the winds are still going, and the rain as well, which probably we're gonna have to, like, I don't know. The winds are picking up, and then rain, but there's lightning here, which we're probably gonna get to see in a minute. Or not at all, there's like possible chance. Alright, so it's been like an hour, and the storm's calmed down now. And, yeah, there's rain and no winds already. So, yeah. At least we don't have to, at least there's no... Alright, it's been like an hour now, and the rain is calmed down now. And there's like a ton of flooding here in my house right now. And the temperatures probably seem to decrease to 62 degrees. But man, at least the rain isn't that heavy, and the winds too. And I must say, this is the first ever severe weather we had to experience in the year. But, yeah. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and pause this video right there. So, that's all I have to do for severe weather. You know I like severe weather. And sometimes I get anxiety from that. So, yeah, anyways, that's gonna be it. And goodbye, and I'll be back for more gaming videos if I have to do it. Alright?